In this video, I will explain you the strategy that I have developed for futures in crypto market using CoinDCX APIs. So first we need to understand what is ask and bid. So ask and bid are the passive orders that are sitting in the order book. So when we go inside this CoinDCX website and then in this futures, so we can see this order books. In this order books, these are the limit orders that are pending. These are not executed orders. These are pending orders that are sitting in the order book, and our strategy is based on finding momentum based on the changing patterns in order book. So when you go inside this market trades, so in market trades these are the executed orders, but our strategy is based on the order book, and this is the pending orders. These are the limit orders. So the strategy is very simple. We are calculating the total ask and the total bid. So we get 50 depth of ask and bid using CoinDCX website, CoinDCX APIs, and what we are doing is we are taking the total of ask and total of bid, and based on that we are trying to see that where the market will move. So what is bid? Bid is the price at which the buyers are willing to buy, and ask is the price at which the sellers are willing to sell. So the strategy logic is very simple, that if the ask quantity is greater than bid quantity, it means that the seller are more on the book. So if the sellers are more, then it is a bearish sign, and if it is a bearish sign, so we will take an open short position. In the similar manner, if the bid quantity is greater than the ask quantity, so it means that the buyer are more in the order book, and if the buyers are more, then it is a long position, so it is a bullish sign. So the strategy is very simple, and what we are doing is at a time we are just sitting in one trade, like we are only taking one trade, and when we move to another trade, we close the previous trade. So the strategy logic is very simple, that generally ask and bid prices move like are very equal. They are very near to each other, but when there are sudden spikes, sudden moves, so we can easily capture and we can easily see these moves because of the passive limit orders in the order book, and based on that we will trade. So this is just the brief description, and we will only be trading this in Ethereum or Bitcoin, because we are placing market orders and we do not want to lose much on slippage, and Bitcoin and Ethereum futures have a very good liquidity. So I'll show you. This is the bid price in the green box, and this is the ask price in the red box. So you can see that these changes rapidly. So this is the Python program for this, and as you can see, the ask total is 12.15 and the bid total is 115.90. So here the bid minus ask, like bid is greater than ask, and here the pattern was changed, like it was bid was greater than ask here, but now the ask is greater than bid. So if the ask is greater than bid, then we will do an open short position and close the previous position. So all the entry and exit parameters I have written very properly in this Google Docs, and I will also be sharing with you these things. So let's see the live implementation. We are storing the live implementation, all the logs in the CSV as well as in the text file to see what exactly is happening, and also in the Google Sheet to track everything correctly. So here you can see that the bid total was greater than the ask total, but then the ask total was greater than bid total here, and then we open our open short position and close the previous open long position here. So this is a very here we have to take trades in very fast manner. As you can see that there are so many trades that are being placed, because generally the ask and bid quantity is very narrow, but there are some moves which we can catch. So like you can see, this is the total PNL of that particular trade, and I have been trading the strategy on paper testing mode for like 2 hours uh, from 8 p.m. and now it's 10:25, and the strategy is really performing good. This is the PNL in the G column, but this is excluding the brokerage and charges, and because of the brokerage and charges, it becomes very difficult to make substantial amount of money in this strategy. I'll show you why. So you can see that because of this is my future trades log, the trades that I have taken, and the fees is so high on every trade that most of our profit is going in this fees. So indirectly we are not making anything substantial here. So please check the strategy and let me know what do you think. Thank you.